Welcome to a new update from Tampah Hills. We are in Villa V. It's finished and we're enjoying it. We have 7 finished villas now, so come here, rent a villa and experience the Tampah life. We're in stage 3 and looking at our first construction here, and it's Villa Jakob. It's 2-bedroom, a little smaller, super nice, designed by NN Studio. We have the parking over here and then have beautiful stairs going down, entrance in the center where you have kitchen and living room. We have a 2nd bedroom to the right with a balcony in front overlooking the infinity pool, and then master bedroom, bathroom and on the northeast side. Yeah, this is truly beautiful in the mornings. This is Villa Mentari, designed by We have the kitchen here and then living area, have a sunken sofa and a beautiful pool that is angled up, so you can lay like this and just enjoy the sun. And up here we have a mezzanine upstairs, and from that window you're overlooking the ocean. And a master bedroom on that side and another master bedroom on that side. We're about to start 2 new constructions, and we're at the entrance now, walking into this very unique house and site. Most of the hills are angled in Tampah with the views, but this is quite flat here. And it's designed by and it's a total round house. Here I'm in the center of the house, and we have 2 bedrooms facing east and northeast, overlooking the mountains and the valley here. And another 2 looking west and southwest, where you have the rock in the background and the infinity pool straight out here. I look so much forward to start to build this house because it's just stunning. We are back at Villa V. It's currently the villa that is have the highest location in Tampah so far. It's about 150–160 meters above sea level. And this is the driveway where you can park the car and the scooters. And here you can see the inner ceiling. It's teak wood, and it will be teak in the entire inner ceiling in the whole villa. Yeah, looks amazing. So this is the marble for the vanity in one of the master bedrooms, and the location is hard, so this is how we carry it up to the location. Hats off. This is the entrance staircase, and it's wide and amazing. It's going to be cladded with some wood, so you have the steel and the wood matching together. Can't wait to see how that's going to turn out. Here we have an outdoor stairs going up to a sunset terrace, and also on the top we have a barbecue area. And here entering into the kitchen and dining area. And then walking into this is like a nice area where you have the stairs into the pool, and when all the furniture and interior coming in, this will turn into a really lovely social hangout place. And here coming into this master bedroom with this endless view, and where you have the teak wood coming in different angles, and you have this little gap where you can see the beach. Yeah, amazing. So here we have this large planter box. We will have some trees and a lot of greenery coming in, and this whole area will feel like a little green oasis, I think.